In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sendgrid to Entresoft step by step. We'll walk through each phase to get your systems talking to each other smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Sendgrid homepage. Sendgrid is a trusted leader when it comes to email APIs and marketing campaigns, so you'll want to start by accessing their main site. Once you're there, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Simply click on sign in and you'll be prompted to enter your login information. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a quick and straightforward process. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Sendgrid dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub where you can access all your account settings and data. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Everything you need will be easily accessible from here. Next, we'll move on to settings. From your dashboard, locate the settings option and click on it. This section allows you to manage various elements of your Sendgrid account, including your API keys. API keys are crucial for linking Sendgrid with other platforms such as Entresoft, as they act like a digital password that grants another system permission to access your account. Once in settings, navigate to API keys. This is where you'll create a new API key specifically for the integration with Entresoft. API keys can sometimes be a bit tricky to handle if you're not familiar, but don't worry, we're going to make it easy. Click on API keys to proceed. Now look for the option to create API key and click on it. When creating an API key, make sure to choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose, like Entresoft integration, so it's easily identifiable later. As you set this up, you will also have the choice to configure the permissions for the API key. It is recommended to set it with the minimum permissions necessary for the task to ensure security. After generating your API key, it's important to store it in a secure location because you won't be able to view it again once you leave the page. This key is what you will use to connect Sendgrid to Entresoft. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and configure your Sendgrid API key to start integrating it with Entresoft. Following these steps will ensure a seamless connection, enabling you to efficiently manage your email marketing needs. If any issues arise, revisiting these steps can often help troubleshoot common problems. Thank you for following along, and happy connecting.